Welcome back to my channel. This is Just Reactor Junior here, not for a reaction video. I'm not going to react on anything. This is not a reaction video, but I am going to talk about something which has been going on the internet. I don't know. I've not seen a creator talk about this. They've all been talking about TikTok versus YouTube, which is one thing which is going on, but no one has been talking about this, at least on a very large scale. But I'm going to talk. I've got like only 179, 178 followers. I really don't give a damn, because if by any chance people get to know this, they have to know this. So there, let me start by a very heinous, I won't say crime, but heinous mentality which has been seen in Delhi case posh school. It's isolated. It's not an isolated incident. It happens a lot of time, but at least this time it's happened in South Delhi. People which you know about, the rich affluent kids, unka ek story hai. So there is a Delhi boys locker room. So it's just called locker room. There's a group chat. It has like 200 100 odd people on it. These are all guys from ranging from 16 years to 19 years, and all they talk about is objectifying women. All right, uh, talking about their nudes, talking about their uh, videos, talking about what are the, how her body is, how they're going to have sex with her, how they're going to use her, how they're going to how you say mentally frustrate her, how they're going to give the rape threats. If you don't send me nudes, we will come and rape you, or exchange nudes about their own girlfriends or someone they have been seeing, or be making hilarious jokes, or demeaning a girl. So there would be chats. I would be putting it on the screen of here, and you could read them by yourself and see the things which has been. If you read it, if it's a human being who has been human and has human value inside him, you're gonna get disgusted, dude. I being a guy, I have heard a lot of things, and at one point there has been, where, oh, that girl is hot, that girl is this. Yeah, there has been talk on some level, but there is a line. This line has been stretched to North Pole, and it has been abused. These guys have just gone blatantly out and said that you give me nudes or I will rape you. I mean, what kind of culture? Okay, and there is one common thing in them all. All of them are rich. All of them belong to very, very rich families. All of them are physically gifted as such. 6 feet, abs, fairer skin. They go by. They're all, you know. If you have seen 13 Reasons Why, they all resemble to the character of Bryce Walker, who in the first season of the show has raped Hannah Baker, which in turn lead to her death. So you know that they are very popular in the school. Everybody is worshipping them. You know how school bullies are, and they are from South Delhi, so obviously they have money, they have car, they have bikes, and they have more freedom than a teenager. When I was a teenager, I used to have. Alright, and I have seen them in my school. I studied in some posh schools over the period of time, and have seen these guys, and they are, I don't know, filth creature. I mean, when you think about having a money in your bank account, you think it will give you responsibility, but turns out it doesn't give you brain. So these guys went on and talked about, you know, they shared pictures and they commented on it in a very heinous way. They said, यार ये देख, इसकी हम लोग मारेंगे, इसकी हम लोग लेंगे. These kind of words were used, all right. And if you see that English is shit, all right. What is I'm trying to tell you, that they are educated but they can't even write proper English, and I don't know what they are thinking, what kind of environment they live in, what kind of TV series they follow, what kind of things they do, or what kind of rebellious attitude, or what are the moral structures you have been bought into yourself. Like, kaise? I don't understand. My dad's in army. I've been living in an army life for like more than 20 years, and my dad has been the most chivalrous person, even to every lady. All right, you see him, and he never gave me a value saying that you should disrespect your mom, you should disrespect any girl in that matter, or disrespect anyone for that matter. He always used to be like, if it is a lift man, if it's a person who is not affluent in English, or someone who's not rich, please show respect, because if you show respect, that person is going to respect you back. But these things, these moral values in these guys are not there anymore. One of them just posted a picture saying that rape is normal, rape is the new trend, rape is supposed to be done, is the best way to lose your virginity. I mean, I felt like taking a fucking machine gun and just blowing them out, blowing their heads out. And yeah, you're gonna be like, hey, but you have not given them life, how can you murder them? They should be tried, they should be. Nirbhaya case went on for 12 years, 10-12 years. Abhi jaake they got hanged. I'm not gonna wait for 12 years, alright? They're gonna be like, what happens every time we see a rape happening, then be like, oh shit, rape हो गया, अब क्या किया जाए? क्या लड़की ऐसे कपड़ा पहन रही थी, क्या इसमें कोई गलती? अच्छा, वो रात के 12 बजे घूम रही थी तभी रेप? I mean, what? I saw what is this? अभी तुम वो देख रहे थे, they are talking about rape, alright? In law, it is mens rea here. They have a intention of doing a crime, and police are thankfully taking the FIR, noted down everything. It's the due process is there, and I hope they end up in fucking jail, dude. Alright, yeah, I have abused a lot in this video, but I'm angry. I'm ashamed to be a guy right now, because I can't look into my friend's eyes and be like, यार क्या बोलूं मैं इनको, because I'm ashamed of what these guys are doing, dude. ये सिखा है क्या हमारे? This is what our cool generation, the hi-fi generation is coming up with, raping. Dude, why sex is such a big thing? Why do you get so lustful that you have to rape someone? कहाँ से, किसने सिखाया तुम्हें ये? Losing your virginity is not the epitome that you're a man. Showing domination over a person is not epitome which tells you that you're fucking manly. Your favorite actors have not done it. You know why Deepika Padukone is with Ranveer Singh? Because he's a man. Why Virat Kohli is with Anushka? Because they are man and they are gentlemen, because they know how to behave. And why you are doing this shit? Because you are a fucking filthy creatures. Your mind has been just, I don't know, what do you watch on Netflix? Did you stumble on Ted Bundy's tape or someone else's tape that you saw these serial killers and you got motivated? I'm sorry, it was not for you then. This Netflix, those shows were not for you. It was to make us understand how serial killers are and what we should not do. And if you see someone down the line doing it, give him the mental health. अभी तो mental health की बात कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मेरा बस चले तो गोली मार के रख दूंगा. ठीक है, ये क्या शिट कर रहे हो भोसड़ी वालों? ठीक है, अपनी माँ के साथ होएगा, अपनी बहन के साथ होएगा, फिर देखेंगे कहाँ बोलोगे. अभी तो बहुत चौड़ में घूमोगे ना, अपने बाप के पास बहुत पैसा है ना सालो, करोगे अभी तो. Just because your dad can buy your fucking freedom, that doesn't mean that you're gonna get unchecked out of it. And I hope your parents just disown you, just throw you on the streets, dude. बड़े बड़े स्कूल में पढ़ के ये सिखाते टीचर लोग ने तुमको यही सिखाया है. There is a thing called consent. There is a thing called love, trust, relationship. Don't break it. तुम्हारे वजह से एक लड़की जिसके साथ हो रहा होएगा, she is going to have mental trauma, dude. Her life is never going to be same. उसको हर चीज पे डर लगेगा. एक लड़का उसके पास आएगा, even he's genuine enough and he's not a fucking molester like you, alright? She's going to be so afraid to trust him just because of you guys, because you played with their goddamn trust. You broke it. And I don't know, I don't think even Satan will take you into hell. I think it's going to straight cut you into pieces and burn you into hell, take you through that same goddamn mental torture that she went through. You don't understand, because you're fucking male and you're living in a patriarchal society where everything what you go through is privilege. तुम्हें पता है वेल एजुकेटेड लड़कियों को भी काम नहीं करने दिया जाता है, उनको हाउस होल्ड में सबसे डिमीन करते हैं, जबकि वो भी पूरा घर का पैसा कर रहे हैं. तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? बाप के पैसे उड़ा रहे हो और क्या किया जिंदगी में? हाँ, जिम में जाके प्रोटीन शेक्स लेके, स्टेरॉइड्स लेके मसल पंप कर दिया, बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई है। दिमाग तो आया नहीं तुम्हारे अंदर, एक लड़की को ट्रीट करना तो जानते नहीं हो। Is this the way you want to fucking grow up, bro? Then you have the nerve to put out a story saying that yeah, I will rape that girl. You will rape that girl. क्या मतलब, कोई क्या बहुत बहादुर हो जाएगा? इतना ही बहादुर है, चल मेरे साथ जम्मू कश्मीर चलते हैं, खड़ा करता हूँ तेरे को, एक इंसर्जेंसी काम करवा दे तेरे से, आजा एक टेररिस्ट को मार के आते हैं। बहुत बहुत दम है ना तेरे अंदर। साले भागेगा वहां से, एक गोली कान के नीचे जाएगी, बोलेगा बस बहुत हो गया। तेरे को पता है अभी 4 जवान मरे हैं, अभी उनसे पहले 4 people died, 8 people in total casualty died. You know how much gut it takes to go out there. हाँ, मूवीज में सब अच्छा लगता है, और असली लाइफ में जब जाएगा ना, अच्छे अच्छों की निकल जाएगी। चल ना अभी उधर बहादुरी दिखा। Just because you're physically strong and you have been using your gym weight to push someone and your money to silence someone doesn't mean that you're strong enough. You're a fucking coward. I mean, God has created and He's ashamed of you, dude. क्या है, इस तरह से जिएंगे? She's a human being. The girl you are talking about, she's a human being. Just because she exists what you want, she's having those essentials to satisfy your lust. All right, just because she has a vagina, you want to talk to her like that? Just because she has breasts, you want to talk to her like that? Is the way? Do you know what even sex is? Then you're sharing it with your friends. उसने तेरे को ट्रस्ट कॉन्फिडेंस से बोला है। I mean, क्या उसकी तो लिहाज कर ले ब्रो। सेक्स करने के लिए उनके हर बोलेगी कि ये ठीक है, you want to say everything is true just because you want to get laid. ये सीख रहे हो तुम लोग, जिंदगी में यही काम आएगा। Just grow up, guys. I don't know, grow up भी क्या, just get yourself, you should die, dude. That's what I can say. शर्म नहीं है ब्रो तुम्हारे में। I don't know what else to say. It's just sad, dude. It's very sad. That's all I have to say. I don't know.